car system and all $200. I ain't.
Nice. $200 system banging?
No,
all right.
$200, everything, car and all.
No way.
Yeah. I bought the car out of the woods after 2 years of sitting for free.
Wow, that's a good deal. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What's your name real quick and what you have in here?
A car with 2 wicked tunes.
Okay.
I got 2 EVL 12s with a Cadence C2 competition 4K in.
Okay.
It's all wired up to 2 ohms, so it's only getting like 2200 watts to it.
Okay.
Like I said, the whole car system and all $200. I ain't.
Nice. $200 system banging?
No,
all right.
$200, everything, car and all.
No way.
Yeah. I bought the car out of the woods after 2 years of sitting for free.
Wow, that's a good deal.
Yeah.
One in a lifetime then. Okay, sweet, man.
They say.
What kind of battery power?
Little North Star.
Okay.
I got $200 invested in all this.
Sweet, man.
Yeah, not a problem.
Can I see the back real quick? Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Nice. Yep, it jams though. So did you keep the seats down? Is it louder with the seats down? Or?
Yeah, I got the hood lift back up.
That's true. Yeah, yep. Thank you for showing me. Good? Going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we just got of his system. He showcased at the Team Daily Hurt show in Virginia of 2021 TDH show. Pretty impressive to see how loud this got for just a $200 car and system vehicle. So pretty much he got this vehicle out of the woods for $200 with everything in it. I don't know if he put any other upgrades in it or if everything else he got from some friends was free, but it did a really good job. Go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. Not the prettiest system by no means, but gets the job done, and he made it to the show and show out. So he has a prefab dual 12-inch subwoofer box here. Didn't see the exact specs of the box. I did notice it was tuned probably around the 40 to 42 hertz range. It didn't play anything lower than the mid-30s, so probably did really well around that range. You notice where he has his box placement with the subs and port facing back. Probably most optimal for this type of enclosure, especially the way he has his vehicle gutted, so all of the top interior is removed, so all the pressure can escape the trunk. Remember, if you have a trunk system, it's always good to trial and error. Move your box around, try facing the subs one way or the other, and you never know which way gets the most results. And this is the battery bank. I was pretty impressed to see if this really is a $200 system. He has a really nice AGM battery rated around 180 amp hours of AGM. I'm pretty sure that's what that one was. And the amplifier, he said, was wired at 2 ohms, so he didn't want to wire it down to half ohm because he didn't have the electrical plus, of course. It is a stock electrical system outside of the battery. You can notice that he removed all the panels on the trunk, so it helped optimize his output in the cabin when he gave us the demo we're getting to right now. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this impressive demo.
good, man. For just $200.
Yeah.
All right.
I got $200 invested in all this.
Sweet, man. Appreciate the demo.
Yeah, not a problem.
All right, you have a good day. Thank you for showing me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.